Good evening, viewers, and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. Government needs to seal entry and exit points of the state to check the increasing drugs menace, says Sanbor Shalai. BJP leader Sanbor Shalai strongly opposed the move of BJP-led Assam government to impose ban on consumption of beef. Rocky A. Marweng selected as Congress MDC candidate for Umsning for 2025 MDC elections. And Meghalaya bagged 2 gold and 2 silver medals at the Northeast Paralympic meet. The news in detail. South Shillong MLA and BJP leader Sanbor Shalai has suggested that the government needs to seal the entry and exit points of the state to check the increasing drugs menace in the state. He also held a meeting with the residents of his constituency in Shillong. Speaking to media persons, he said that each and every vehicle, including the vehicles of Prime Minister, Chief Minister and MLAs, should be checked thoroughly at the entry and exit points of the state to deal with the menace of drugs in the state. He made the statement in view of the fact that drugs in Meghalaya are transported through Assam from Myanmar and Manipur.
The main action that the government should take is that we have to install the check gate to seal all these gates, this exit and entry point coming from, say like in Bernihat, then from coming from Giant Hill through Silchar, then from Ribhoi district. Because we know, as per the sources, drugs are being supplied from through Assam. Then from that area, it comes from Burma, Manipur, Myanmar, like this they are coming. So unless we seal all those main gate, entry and exit, we have given a suggestion that we have to check if it is the vehicle of the Chief Minister or Prime Minister or MLA or a businessman or anyone, or the private or the commercial vehicle, we have to check.
BJP leader and MLA Sanbor Shalai has strongly opposed the move of the BJP-led Assam government to impose ban on consumption of beef in hotels and public places. Speaking to media persons in Shillong, Shalai said that such a decision should not have been taken as the Constitution of India has not restricted the consumption of meat. He also informed that he will soon apprise the central leadership of the party of his opposition to the move. Shalai, while terming Meghalaya as an independent state, people here are free to eat whatever they like.
And the Constitution of India also there is no law that restrict to ban any kind type of meat to eat. I oppose. Here in Meghalaya, it is your choice. You can eat snakes. We eat dog. I used to eat dog when I'm young. Now also, just 2 months back, my friend, he sent me 1 power dog meat. I eat nicely with my wife. So what?
The Umsning Block Congress Committee, Ribhoi District, held its general meeting today where they officially announced Rocky A. Marweng as a candidate for the 2025 MDC elections from Umsning constituency. SW Rambai, Congress observer for Ribhoi District, made the formal declaration of Marweng as a Congress MDC candidate in the presence of dignitaries and thousands of supporters. During the event, the committee also unveiled the election calendar and posters. In his address, Marweng expressed his gratitude for the support and assured the people that through the provisions of the 6th schedule and the article, he would work to empower both the region and the state.
District Council, lembaga ni ka khanet ka banriu ka constitution ka ban ai ni lembaga khanet ka banriu ngan pentingna banom ngan penskam ban penjanai ban nangwan ra shipon ki an ban penskam baga jat banriu ka jongi kanun sa talab bat kanam sakta ha kita kijile don bor jong kanil sarkar BJP.
Christmas is just around the corner and the festive spirit is beginning to envelop Shillong in its unique charm. From the enchanting melodies of musical Santas gearing up to grace various events to the lively pre-Christmas celebrations unfolding across neighborhoods. Adding to the festive cheer, schools are also getting into the holiday spirit by organizing pre-Christmas events before the academic year draws to a close. One such celebration was held at St. Edmund's School, where the essence of Christmas came alive through heartwarming performances, beautifully decorated venues, and the infectious enthusiasm of students and teachers. The state of Meghalaya has around 4,500 active TB patients who are currently taking treatment at different levels, and the treatment success rate is 87% to 88%, whereas ideally it should be more than 90%, says Ram Kumar S., Mission Director, NHM. The Mission Director delivered his keynote at the launch of the 100 Days campaign, Nikshay Shivir and Meghalaya Comprehensive TB Care at Maulai Mauro PHC. Dr. Joram Beda, Commissioner and Secretary, Health and Family Welfare, informed that the testing rates have increased, the case rates, the incidence of the disease has almost stabilized. Dr. Joram Beda also flagged off the Nikshay Vahan vehicle. In West Garo Hills, the 100-day campaign, Nikshay Shivir and the Meghalaya Comprehensive TB Care Program were launched at the SMELC Conference Hall, Tura. The event held under the theme, Taking Care of Everyone, TB-Free Meghalaya TB Care, emphasized comprehensive healthcare and community involvement to fight TB. The Khasi Students' Union today commemorates the 30th death anniversary of late Shri Bul N. Lingdo, former KSU president in Malki, Shillong. President of KSU Lombok Starwell Marangar highlighted Bul's lasting legacy and the importance of KSU members taking responsibility for the community's welfare. The event served as a reminder of the importance of leadership and community service. The commemoration of Bul's 30th death anniversary was attended by various KSU members and well-wishers.
Bat kinuksa jong babul kim jurim lanul nuru. Laklat nak selapertai handrai kita kimati kiba babul ulai hangi kilometer kinam klat lanul nuru. Kani kestap kapan kemau yang ini puai. Kum kisamla bat kum dekat juga jad penriu. Bangi hapan pusan kapan ta keba kunu mi haban le nam ta ka jubet jengbiang bat sungan juga ri bakajat putu kuai.
The West Jaintia District Sports Association trial on archery for the Indian round category only at Kyang Nangba Stadium today. Over 20 youths have registered to participate in the training session. The main objective of the event was to raise awareness and promote the sport of archery among talented youths in the district who are interested in traditional archery. EMH Pasa, working president of WJDSA, highlighted the difference between traditional archery and professional archery, while E. Hing, secretary of the archery committee, expressed optimism about the potential of youth from the district. Currently, there are 4 youths undergoing training in archery, and in the past year, they have won several medals in different categories.
Mana si Pinang? Gani Pinang? Itu abad nangmi kena cimadon kasap kadang kadang ke trials. But ia kat jikitiar ru ni la su tedhi mangi kadang ba kena kinyo ban tip ba ki kitiar thamai kumno kitarikam bat kumno bakin practice man kasni kadang bakin long lapoi ka competition ti kin long kin sok aya ni le yo ro ban ya sim bentah ha kan ikan Meghalaya games bala long ha nong ba turah bad ha gato ni le yo course bon medals gold medal nag recover
yo bat kan the bat sinrang bat kim elenti ba daga jing penlong jongi ga ni getral bat ngin sa ai gi jing training nang ni hadu banda poi hi ga ni khal yakim kumba ka la long hapo ga ni ga district jongi bat kim elenti ro ba ngin yo khur bon shu shu gi medals kumba ni la khur men syam senang bat kim elenti ba mentah usne minang yo bon shu gi medals.
Meghalaya bagged 2 gold and 2 silver medals in table tennis, shot put and badminton at the recent Northeast Paralympic meet organized by the Assam Paralympic Association from November 27 to 29, 2024 at Guwahati. The team comprised Dariti Khongthau, Priska Pingrop, Rinalyn Nongdhar and Angelina Thernyang. Rinalyn Nongdhar clinched gold in table tennis and silver in shot put. Angelina Thernyang claimed silver in table tennis. The man who assisted and motivated the persons with disabilities athletes is Shri Lakhan Prasad, a lawyer and an engineer who founded the social humanoid. In an interaction with DD News Shillong, Lakhan said there is a need to support athletes under the PWD categories to ensure their participation in national and international competitions, stressing there is no dearth of talent among the PWD community.
The athletes are not getting that kind of support that they are supposed to get. If you are talking about infrastructure, yes, there is an infrastructure, but again, not specifically for PWD athletes. So it's also a request and a genuine request, in fact, to the government, to the societies who are working with PWD, to also work in that field, because to bring some kind of infrastructure, give them require logistic. I mean, if I share my experience, recently one of the participants who was willing to take part in swimming competition in Paralympics, she did not have a costume and she did not have a place to practice. So we need to, not in that large scale, but yes, definitely some sort of infrastructure is required, and it's up to the government how they can help. Yeah.
In the lush rolling hills of Meghalaya, a quiet revolution is taking place. It's a story of farmers, women entrepreneurs and communities who are reimagining their future, one fruit at a time. Here is a report.
At the heart of this change is the Khasi Mandarin, a citrus fruit that has long been a symbol of the state's agricultural heritage. But now, thanks to a geographical indication GI tag, it is gaining recognition on the global stage. The first consignment of GI tag Khasi Mandarins recently made its way to Lulu Mall in Dubai. Speaking to DD News, Candidacy Walang, Vice Chairperson of the society, highlighted the significant impact of receiving the geographical indication tag, noting that it has greatly facilitated their ability to export products to distant locations.
Hakador kendai publikasi PG kau senang balade di nila atau metrik ton tam ini senang balade kalau di kajing mentoi kajing yarap pemba kajing yarap menai jam ya di para lok channel para lok di pun samla itu.
Behind this success is the Jirang Organic Agro Farmer Producer Company, a group of dedicated farmers and entrepreneurs, most of them women, who have worked tirelessly to put Meghalaya's mandarins in the international spotlight. The support from both the state and central governments also paved the way for their success. Farmers expressed their satisfaction with the employment generated by the society, noting it has improved their livelihood.
Ginong rap mangiwan pentre hari ban rap ni ngiyuk jeng mentoy makata ngakapat jagi baru kilong kemi bakim day ban senyole rai pentre sutom jakakam namad bangiyuk ke jeng mentoy penroy ke senong katau hamtam ya ke ying ke siang ucengi.
This milestone not only opens new markets for Meghalaya's produce but also highlights the transformative power of the GI tag in elevating local products on the global stage. This success story serves as an inspiring example of how community-driven initiatives can foster economic growth, enhance livelihoods, and contribute to sustainable development in the region. Bureau reports, DT News, Meghalaya.
And now for the weather report. The minimum temperature was recorded at 7 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature at 15.5 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 81%, while in the evening was 76%. Forecast: dry weather is likely at most places. Shallow to moderate fog is likely at isolated places. And now, before we end the news, a quick look at the headlines once again. Government needs to seal entry and exit points of the state to check the increasing drugs menace, says Sambor Shalai. BJP leader Sambor Shalai strongly opposed the move of BJP-led Assam government to impose ban on consumption of beef. Rocky A. Marweng selected as Congress MDC candidate for Umsling for 2025 MDC elections. And Meghalaya bagged 2 gold and 2 silver medals at the Northeast Paralympic meet. Well, viewers, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Thank you for watching and have a good night.